Hey guys, this is Minu92 for Productive Gamers, and today I'm on Visual Basics again, the 2010 Express Edition, and I'm going to show you how to create your very own text-to-speech program. Okay, so we're going to get straight in. This thing should only take a few minutes, and so once you've opened up your Visual Basic program, this should work with any of the Visual Basics, including the new 2011 beta. It should work on that. But don't take my word for it, because I'm not 100% sure. Okay, so call this whatever you want, but I'm going to call it the YouTube text-to-speech tutorial. You can call this whatever you want, and make sure Windows Forms application is selected. And this will now load up, and we can get straight on in. This is a very quick and easy tutorial, and to create the text-to-speech thing. Okay, so now this is loaded up, your form 1. Just resize it. Whoops, I've double-clicked on that. Actually, no, I haven't. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, so just resize this to what you want. You don't need very much space, so something about this size will be fine. And then if you just click on that, on the form 1, you have all of the properties up here. I assume for this you have a sort of partial grasp of Visual Basics, but it doesn't really matter because it's quite easy. So next you want to go over to the minimize box and go to false, and over here on just above, maximize box, you want that as false as well, just so that you can't really resize the form. And that's the only sort of thing that matters. You can change the form border style to whatever you want. You can have fixed 3D, fixed single, or you can just have none at all. Have whatever colour. But for this tutorial, I'm going to have it as sizable. Next, if you scroll down to the bottom, you can change your text to whatever you want. So you can have text-to-speech, and then if you scroll up to the icon, actually hang on, show icon, you want show icon as false, so it's just on its own. Now for this you're going to need two functions to forms, and that is a button, which I'm going to find very difficult to try and drag on here. So you need one button, and then a single text box. So if you try to find text boxes, it's all done alphabetically generally, so it should be quite easy to find. Okay, so if you just stretch that, you can have these any size you want. It really makes no difference at all, and you just do it how you like. That's the main thing. Okay, so for button 1, change the text to speak, and that is literally all of the sort of editing you need to do. On this you can change the background colour as well, so if you don't want it to be boring and plain, you can have like this for example. Now it looks a bit nicer. So what we're going to do now is, if you double click on speak, and when this opens, all you want to type is dim SAPI, and then SAPI. The SAPI is the sort of speech function that's found in your computer. So the next line is SAPI equals create object. As you can see, the things that are appearing just on the screen are sort of prompts to help you if you're not sure with what you're doing. So in here you want to put brackets and then speech marks, SAPI.SPvoice, and then the speech marks again, close the brackets, and then on the final line you want to put SAPI.speak, and then in brackets text box 1.text. And that should be, everything should work. So all you want to do now is hit the debugging button, and this will sort of run the application so that it'll check if everything's right. So now, yep, you can move this around as you wish, and if I turn my volume up on my computer, and if I type hello, then the computer says
hello.
Okay, and you can type anything you want at all, so it will literally say anything. So if you just type in a load of random letters and then get it to speak, it will sound like this. Yeah, so basically that 3 lines of code and a tiny bit of editing allows you to create this text-to-speech thing. And if you want to see how it can sort of be integrated into something, for most of these tutorials I'm going to show you how within my operating system, the HoloOS, and this is how I've created it. So along the top is the taskbar, and then you have this sort of cross box, and that'll take you out. You notice that I have that I don't have the standard Windows boxes. I chose the Windows the form border style as none, as opposed to fixed, no, sizable, I think it is. So on here, yeah, this is how I've got it, and literally all the code for this is exactly the same. And then for the picture box, you just have me.close, and then it will close that form and the application if that's what it's meant to do. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you with doing this sort of text-to-speech translator thing. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.